Hello friends, now you are watching my channel. Today I am tell about a wonderful website from which you can earn a wonderful incoming base to 2021, and this is new platform is 2022 already this website. If you are watching my channel first time, now subscribe me my channel and click on the bell icon, click on my channel now, because all of my incoming video reach you first, and link to the website this in this my description in my description. Let us go to our website. Now you are watching the website will open and show this page. This website name is Juna platform. Juna platform is a wonderful website. This is so Juna Cash in the key currency of Juna platform. This is the Jones platform aim to platform that help exchange to currency in crypto. This is a cryptocurrency also that this is a wonderful website. Attention 2021 12 beware of a person and claim to be a vent. In this 2021 0906 warning about a communism, Batam, Jaws and other coming. Let us look forward to 2022 as we move on the next stage. December 2021 full sale start of Juna Cash. Juna Cash GS export market to December 2021. Cash Juna Cash marketing is the purchase launch in Juna Cash platform service. Schedule the launch on spring 2022. Now you are watching this is the 22 20 July 21 March and 2020 Singapore around WB Bike Exchange. This is exchange market in bike. Now you are watching the Juna Cash token. This company is at 26.92% locked. Founder is 23%, 07% locked. Private sale of the accepting, and you are watching 6.15, promotion 2.0 and 1.92%. Staking bonus is 1.92, partner advisor 6.92, locked team and 3.84. You are watching this map total supply. Then you are watch this is a wonderful companies Lockton and P2P BP P2P concept bits AG bits. Now you are the Juna Cash Group companies corporate Pilsopi. Now you are watching the Juna companies corporation. So click in the video on watch our all video information. Now you are watching in cool, but my internet is slow. You are watching my in this YouTube. Now this is browsing is
Junka is written as Junka in Japanese. It means to bring back everything to its rightful and purest state. Junka is always in pursuit of real and authentic beauty, constantly evolving as time goes by. We always believe that
no. Now you are watching the Junka video. Junka video is a 7 and 52. You are watching
real beauty is not solely on the way you look, but more so about the way you feel, live, and look at life. Natural beauty as we defined it. Our belief is that beauty encompasses physical outlook and attributes. Our pursuit of beauty lies with the conviction that beauty equals peace. Junka now has nearly 40 employees and we have 4 branches in Manila. Junka is planning to open 100 new branches in the upcoming years. Junka's brand strength is built on quality. The world's top beauty pageant winners and Filipino celebrities are among the clients who visit our salons. We have solid trust in Junka's beauty products as they have been widely featured on national television and even published in newspapers. Junka has won the award for the best company in the Philippines for 4 consecutive years. Our CEO, Mr. Nagatome, has been awarded as an outstanding manager, and Junka has been recognized as a leading beauty company in the world. From 2019, we have been also recognized by many international awards, and we have been invited to attend award ceremonies from all over the world. Bringing innovation to beauty, Junka is now on its second step of evolving the beauty industry even more. We put a lot of efforts into making Junka Salon a success, and in the process, we gained a lot of information and at the same time opened our eyes to problems besetting.
Now you Junka platform you are watching Junka platform project. Now click on the YouTube and check this Junka platform.
Junka platform. Junka platform is a blockchain project that is about to make major reforms to the world's remittance problem, mainly in the Philippines. In the Philippines, there are more than 10 million OFW overseas Filipino workers and total annual remittances from outside the Philippines amounting to around $95 billion. As a normal international remittance fee via SWIFT, 10 to 30% per year, 95 to 28.5 billion in dollars is charged. The Junka platform provides fintech and crypto services, enables domestic and international remittances, exchanges and settlements through ATM, card and wallet services. We would like to make a big step to enrich the citizens of the Philippines. In the end, we would like to play a role as a project to expand the Junka platform's activities to the entire Asian economy and solve the problem of remittance in other Asian countries. Now, let's talk about the Junka platform. The Junka platform is broadly classified into 4 types: ATM, digital settlement, token, exchange. ATM. The Junka platform ATM service is an ATM that can convert cryptographic assets into legal currency. It is planned to be installed throughout the Philippines, mainly in major cities in the country after the spring of 2020. Currently, in order to solve the situation where the deposit amount is decreasing due to high fees, we are aiming to disseminate Junka platform's ATM service, which can easily replace cryptographic assets to legal currency to the people of the Philippines. Along with the spread of ATMs, the Junka platform's digital payment system is also planning to expand from the Philippines to other Asian countries in line with the global economic policy towards cashless transactions.
This now I am pressing in stop and our video join our company. You are join our company, change your worlds within Junka platform project. We are here from you. Now you are join me in Facebook, Twitter, Telegram and Instagram, YouTube. Now Junka platform project information is this is the Junka platform project will be utilize blockchain technology which is the expect to the advantage fundamental reformer and innovation is the payments. Now currency finance etc to mail the economic. Now you are watching this all introduction will read and watch the video resolve your platform project. Now you are watch this is to learn more about the Junka platform project, click here. Now you are watching more, read Now click here and more read them. Latest news. Now you are Junka news. Latest now see this video, these videos. Now read more than Junka wallet has been released. Now you this wallet Junka wallet. This wallet has been released 2020's Happy New Year 22 year in check this platform Junka credit card. Now look at this decide donation ATM cryptocurrency exchange credit card education sports settlement internet bank. Now you are Junka all of them in text detail of Junka platform. Now you are watching all the videos I am telling about that ATM etc donate internet bank currency you all read them. Look at this is all of them project you invest and buy. Now you are increase this website. Now you are watching the ATM eco sites. Now read them more direction internet bank cryptocurrency. Now you read all of them because welcome to the Junka Cash. Junka Cash key cryptocurrency of the Junka platform. You are the Junka Cash has been big different from the and other crypto assistants. It is a crystal way to the fit the Philippine economic because it has many useful logistics because on the local medic. Now you are check and read more all then white paper you are see this page. I am telling about a white paper where where to buy Jazz Cash. Now you are Jazz Cash let on B2P and B2B contact bits as bits. Now you are contact us. Now this click on and contact us me. You look at around has won warrior awards. Now you are my team has this team has been a warrior account award them. Now look at this these companies are also partner Jazz Junka Group's companies. Our change will be continues to country to the world. Now this is the all Junka Salon, Junka Holding, Junka Global, Junka Beauty Lab, and Xlash Junka Cash technology session. Now all of this in the Junka company platform member profile. Now you are watching the Junka company's window mutual profile. Now Junka Group's company chief executive officer Hisioki Nagton. Now click on and other Prince Nora Mahal Kiran. Now and other entertainment department chief entertainment officer Park Hau-kyo. Now click to PR manager Monica Baird. Now click on the concept director Ryan Park. Now click on the trademark decision art director Yusha Hito. Now I am telling about to all team members. So look at this the top of Harrison Peaks seal. Actually you are watching the all companies top exchange. Now you are join it to Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram. Join me. I am telling about a white paper. Now you are watching in white paper is 52 pages. Now in Junka companies. Now you are watching in Junka companies. Hi fans. No greeting and our platform first fail. Now you are watching all the Junka Cash. You are all contact us this all pages to around click and check this all page. Now I am hurry to this page. Now you are watch and read more than and solution for just USDT about 13 million USDT. Now you are watching the scandal of this is all apps rotate Jazz Cash and other credit card companies, banks, all of them. This is the 53 pages in Junka company's white paper. Now you are read of papers, 53 papers are read. Now you are join us, contact us about. Now you contact us. So first name, email, subject, and enter the message for submit my company employer. Now your message is company employer to reply you. Now you are fast join us Junka Cash. This is the white paper of welcome to Junka Cash. Now you are white paper read. All of them are interesting website. This website is a very interesting. Now you are join is Junka Cash. So you are my anything, so you are watching my next videos, so click on my channel. Okay.